Listen. 7 different powers which manifest through your eyes if the Kundalini is established on your third eye. Kundalini means the inner potential energy you are having, the reflection of God in you, the God particle in you. You have 2 components. The man particle means your pattern, your fear, your anger, your desire, your laziness, your tiredness, all that. The other part is the God particle in you, your consciousness. Understand? I dedicate myself to your consciousness. I will always be ferocious with your patterns. For your patterns, I am the villain, worst villain. For your consciousness, I am not only the friend, I am you. You are me. So understand, whenever you feel you melt, your eyes pour, you feel my life is fulfilled, complete. You are experiencing the real you, which is me, the God particle in you. Whenever you feel I am a villain, I came just 1 minute late, he shut the door. What kind of a Swami he is? He should have more patience. Understand, I am a worst villain for your patterns and best soulmate for your soul. Please understand the whole truth so you can easily experience. The soul, God particle, Kundalini, all these are different words for the same you, the reflection of God in you. That is what I call God particle, that is what is Kundalini, that is what is soul, that is what is consciousness. When that Kundalini is raised in your body, activated, brought not only to third eye, there are 3 points. See here, these 2 points and the exact spot where my kumkum starts. This 3 point is called intra-organ of the eyes. Listen. In Sanskrit we call it Indriya. Eyes themselves are not Indriya. Eyes are different. Chakshu is different. Chakshu means the power which sees through the eyes. So this 2 point and this point where the kumkum is starting, when the Kundalini is brought and kept in this third eye point and connected to all the 3. See now, yesterday when I initiated you, I brought the Kundalini to the third eye. But now I am going to connect it with these 2 points. So when this circuit is opened up, 7 different powers start expressing in you. 1, ability to see through any distance. Means you can lie down in the open sky and see what is happening in the Mars, what is happening in the moon. Ability to see any distance, that's the first power. Second, ability to see through the obstacle. Means there is a wall, you can see what is behind the wall. Third, ability to see the intra-organ. Means you can see your own liver, you can see your own kidney, you can see your own intestine, you can see your own heart pumping. So easy to diagnose. You can diagnose yourself. And ability to see that long distance means Dura Drishti. You can sit here and see what is happening in your New York home, what is happening in your house in California, or any different places, what is happening. And In distant, what if some person is going through can be seen. Understand? Seeing the place in distance is different. Seeing what the person, for example, it's like a internet apps only. If you concentrate on the place, you will see what is happening in that place. If you concentrate on the person, you will see what he is doing. No, nobody can do it. I think I am creating a lot of solutions and a lot of problems for a lot of people. And sixth, ability to see the thought currents. Understand? Ability to see the thought currents. Seventh is ability to see the emotions of a person as an aura. Listen, seven various powers. Ability to see distance, like seeing the stars. Ability to see through the obstacle, it's like seeing what is in the other side of the wall. Ability to see the intra-organs, what is happening inside you. Ability to see a different place by concentrating on that place. Ability to see a different person by concentrating on that person. Careful, listen, don't miss. Ability to see thought current of a person. Ability to see the emotional state of a person as aura. These are the seven various powers start manifesting if this circuit is complete. This 2 point and this point. If this circuit is complete with the Kundalini Shakti, these are the seven various powers manifest in your system. And listen now, as you have all given me the authority, I am going to straight enter into your system and raise the Kundalini and connect the circuit. You need to know for next 20 days, means till this program gets over, you need to wash your eyes morning and night both through that eye cup. There is a Panchakriya. We teach Panchakriya. In that Panchakriya set, there is a small cup washing the eyes. So you have to wash your eyes morning and night because this whole zone will get heated up. You have to cool it with a cool water, fresh water, morning and evening. And after you practice the process. If you don't cool, you will feel the heat and you will feel sleepy because of the heat. There will be no other side effect. There will be no other side effect other than you feeling that you need little more time to sleep, or your eyes are little hard, so you need more time to keep your eyes closed. Other than that, nothing. So, I have explained everything about the science. Now I am going to lead you into the process.